Yeah, hello, members only. I'd like to thank each and every one of you who have decided to take membership in my channel. Christopher C. I will go through and start doing shout outs regularly to all the members. I really appreciate each and every one of you willing to do this. I don't require it to be in my channel, but I really do appreciate it when people take the time. My channel was inactive for a few months. I'm been slowly getting it back up and going again. But I love and appreciate each and every one of you who have taken the time to become a member of my channel. My next goal is to keep right on going. I needed a little time off, so I am back in full force. And I will, as always, all my members, I will push your channels in my live streams as well. And I'm going to go through and see who my current and active members are. And I'm going to start doing shout out videos for each and every one of you. So I appreciate everyone from the bottom of my heart for doing this with what's going on in our world. I know there's a lot of people don't have money. I understand. So, but those who have, I appreciate it. And as always, thank you and God bless.